You can see I'm all the way over to the side here and it's still extremely stable. Hey there, Internet Keeve here, and welcome to the Cars and Keeve YouTube channel. In this video, once again, we are trying to make car washing easier. The Giantex Step Stool Platform folds up like this, has anti-skid, has really strong legs. Most of the ones that you'll see out there, they have a leg here, but they don't have this support running across the bottom that makes it really stable. And it's got a 4.7 rating on Amazon with about 300 or 400 reviews, so we know it's a good quality product. Now, how I came across this idea is actually an Amazon seller reached out to me to review some cheap, crappy Amazon pressure washers with numbers that, you know, are impossible to get. But one of the last things on their list was this platform. But to me, it looked really unstable, as like $60-ish. This is about $130. So I went for the higher quality one. When I'm stepping in the air at my old age, I want something that's supportive and I'm going to pay for it. Speaking of quality, I'd like to thank the sponsor of today's video, Simply Carbon Fiber. I've seen in videos in the past. I love their wallet. I have their phone case on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. I actually just picked up one of their watches, forged carbon fiber on the back of the dial. Just really nice quality and not expensive. They have tons of other things like screen protectors for phones. I picked up one for everybody in the family. Once again, I'd like to thank Simply Carbon Fiber for being the sponsor of today's video. Go show them some love. Link in the description below. Code KEEVE10 will save you 10%. Now let's get right into the video. Now let's go ahead and set up one of the scenarios that I would use this for is the roof of my SUV. I have my SGS28, I have my Boss Foam cannon with the auto metering option. We have Gtechniq W4 citrus foam. So we got our platform, flat out the legs. They catch on these red tabs here. If they don't lock in place automatically, you just push the red lever down. That hooks around the bar over here. We'll do a close-up look here in a second. Just make sure that those are secure. You just see how nice and sturdy it is. I put it in the middle where I'll be able to reach, you know, the back here, and I'll be able to reach this far this way. You can get it pretty close to the car because it's extremely stable and it does not move. As you can see, I get right on it. I mean, it's very stable. And yes, for the roof, we have the pivoting coupler to make our life easier as well. But I can't see up there really well, and I can't make sure that I got every stud off of the roof. So let's go up here. Now, those of you who are afraid to take that big of a step, there is a step right there that you can step up on. You step up here. Like I said, anti-skid. I can reach pretty far that way or pretty far this way. But like I said, it's hard for me to see from the side whether or not this foam's gone or that foam's gone. You can see I'm all the way over to the side here and it's still extremely stable even though there's so much empty room on that side. It just counterbalances really well. At the middle here, from ground to the top of the platform, about 19 inches, you can see 150 kilogram max is 330 pounds. Top of the platform is 38 inches wide. It's about a foot deep. Total depth of the platform is 21 inches. Another great thing is it's aluminum and plastic. So you can just leave it there, wash around it and leave it there, and the anti-skid top, no matter how wet it's gonna get, it's gonna keep you from slipping. Now this is the main reason that I got this, is so I can do the mitt on the roof without reaching over. I can reach the roof, it's not that tall, but I always get soap on my shirt. I always get it in, you know, right on my side because I have to reach. I've used brushes, but they're, you know, the more chance of scratching. But I can more or less, from the way that the ladder is parked, I can get this whole side of the car and almost the whole back. Like I said, the biggest thing for me is the construction of this thing. You can tell it's high quality, very sturdy. Like I said, most of the other units out there that are cheaper, this bar is not there. It's just these pegs with little plastic pieces at the bottom. You know that's going to be flimsy. You see the way it sits. I mean, it's just solid. And I lock it right in front of the rear tire, so that way it's, you know, as far back as it can be that I need. So this was just a quick video. There's not a ton that I can show about this, especially when it comes to washing a car. But I've used this for so many other tasks. I've used this to change light bulbs. I've used it to cut the top of my bushes where I can't quite reach from the ground, but it gives me a sturdier platform closer to the bush that I can get towards the middle. The other day I was using it as a place to sit to do a quick detail on the side of the car towards the bottom. It just works out really well because you can sit on there, you have room on each side to hold stuff while you're working on the car. So the Amazon links will be below. Once again, thank you to Simply Carbon Fiber for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Perfect. Hey there, Internet Keith here, and welcome to the cars. Oh my gosh. Now that is the Giantex. Oh my gosh. Just amazing products they have. Man, that was doing really good too. Car comes right by. Speaking of quality, I like to thank the. Speaking of quality, I like to. Oh my gosh. Speaking of quality, I like to thank the sponsor of today's video, Simply Carbon Fiber. Is that upside down? Yeah, it's upside down. And in here with G4 from Gtechniq. G4 from Gtechniq. My gosh. As you can see, 150 kilograms. Middle of the platform. Oh my gosh. Oh, stop moving. Why won't you stay there? Why won't you stay? Just focus on what's there.